Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss create similar command in Revit. So see what is the use of create similar command, how to use it. So here you can see I have created one plan uh, and wall, exterior wall. The thickness of this wall is how much? Just use the di command from this point to this point. See, it is showing 1 feet. It means 12 inch. Okay, now same way I want to measure this wall thickness, so you can measure it. Exterior wall thickness, it is showing 8 inch. Okay, suppose this is my exterior wall, and inside this wall I want to create interior wall of thickness 8 inch. So what we have to do, instead of going here in architecture tab wall and select whatever, okay, instead of going here, what you can do, if you have drawn 8-inch wall in your drawing, select that 8-inch wall like this, right click here, you will get the option create similar, hit on that. Now from where you want to draw, suppose I want to draw one line here, one wall. Now I want to create one wall here like this. Now see, if you measure, use the di command from this point to this point. See, now the wall thickness is 8 inch. Same thing if you want to apply the material. So whatever material, if you have use in your project, select that material, use the create similar command, and then use that material. Okay, so in this way we have to use the create similar command in Revit. So I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.